Students, now we are discussing about the type number 4 in the family of circles. We are discussing type number 4 in the family of circles. This what it says indicates here is equation of family of circle touching a line L at a fixed point x comma y is given by what? Is given by, that is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus lambda times L is equal to 0. This is what we called as equation of circle passing through a point and touching that line, means at that point. Like for example here, equation of the circle touching a line at a fixed point. Okay, that's what I want to say here. Suppose you have a line L is given. Okay, line L is given. You have a line L is given and you have a fixed point here, something point is O or something here, the point is there. From this point you can draw infinite circles like this. This is one circle here, this is another circle like this, so this is another circle like this, like another circle like this. So these all the circles are passing through this fixed point. These all the circles are passing through these fixed points and touching the given line So these all are called as family of circles. How to find this is the formula is, so you know that if a point is given, that is called as point circle. Do you know, if we have a point x comma x1 comma y1 and this is a point circle, the point circle represent a point, also represent a point circle, means x1 comma y1 is a point and that point also called as a point circle. Point circle will be, actually what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, right? It's h comma k is the center, r is the radius. But when a point circle is given, it means I can write as x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square and the radius is 0 units. Because it's a point circle, so the radius will be 0. Whenever it's a point circle, the radius will be 0. It means that x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. It is a circle equation. And lambda times L, which is given line, is here. Given line is given, the line will be given, point will be given, then we are going to find the equation of the circle. So this is the type number 4. Dear students, in family of circles, type number 1, type number 2, type number 4 are important. Rest all not much important. If that is the reason, type number 1 I explain more problems, type number 2 I explain more problems. Type number 3, that is not that much important, but we should not neglect any time. We not expect JEE what they ask in any year. So type number 3 also I explained, I given an example on that. So we are discussing in their type number 4. I explained about what is type number 4 here. Now let us discuss the problems based on type number 4. Okay. So now dear students, we are going to solve the problems based on this. Let's see the problem here. What they given. Find the equation of the circle which is touches the line 2x minus y is equal to 4 at the point 1 comma 2 and passing through the point 3 comma 4 and radius is 4. So that is what they are asking, right? Now how to do, what to do here? So what they have given, that is main important. They given a line, okay, they given a line. The name of the line is 2x minus y is equal to 4. They given a point, very nice. They given a point here, that is here 1 comma 2. Is it all right? And they're saying that if you have to find the equation of the circle which touches this line and passing through this point. That is, we know that s plus lambda times L is equal to 0. What is s here? S I just gave the formula, that is point circle x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. That is the circle. So here I can get s is the circle, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus lambda times L. What is the L here? L is 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required circle using the family of circles. Now he is saying the first question, there are two questions in this. The question number 1 says that this circle is passing through the point 3 comma 4, then you have to find. So what I do here, let us find here, if this circle is passing through the point, let us take that the circle is passing through this point is, what is the point here, 3 comma 4. So let us substitute 3 comma 4 in this. So if I substitute 3 here, 3 minus 1, I get as 3 minus 1 whole square plus the 4 minus 2 whole square plus lambda times 2 into 3, 6 minus y value 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. This will be helpful to find the value of lambda, correct? So this will help here. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, lambda times 6 minus 8, that is 6 minus 8 is minus 2 is equal to 0. It means here I get as 8 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. So therefore lambda value will be 4. Isn't right here? What I can write here, minus 2 lambda is equal to minus 8, minus minus cancel, lambda value will be 4. If I substitute lambda value 4 in this, therefore I am going to get the equation of the circle. That is the answer for this given question. So hope you will do it. This lambda value you will substitute here 4 and you will multiply and you will simplify, and according to the options you will write the answer. I hope you will do this. Okay, see the second part what they ask here. Should I need to simplify this? Isn't right? I need to simplify, or you can do it. So I hope you are JEE students and you can do it. This very simple. Substituting lambda value here 4 and multiplying this and simplifying this is easy. If you don't know, let's see here, x square minus 2x plus 1, a minus b whole square formula, a y square minus 4y plus 4, a minus b whole square formula, plus 4 into 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now you can simplify, isn't right? That you can do it. Now let us see the second question here. Okay, I erased it. Okay, fine. Now let us see the second question here. The question is radius is 5 units. Now the question is radius is 5 units. So when they said radius is 5 units, first of all you have to make this circle in the proper circle. Okay, proper form. I can make this one as x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, I'm making this a simplification, and plus here y square minus 4y plus 4, isn't right, plus lambda times of 2x minus lambda times of 2 lambda 2x lambda 2 is not there, lambda y, isn't right, lambda y minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. I just multiply lambda here. Now I can write as x square plus y square, the x coefficients here plus, this is plus, so I can take plus 1 first here, plus 2 lambda. If I take x common here, 2 I common and x I common, and here I get as lambda, here I get as minus 1. Okay, now here if I go for y if I go for it, if I take y first, y common here, I get here minus 1, I go for here minus 1, and here is minus 4, minus lambda, this is minus lambda, here is minus 4 and here is minus lambda. Okay, this will be there. So if I take minus common, minus into minus, it will going to get common out. You can take minus common in this. Okay, and then after what I can write here, constant here is plus 4 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Correct? Now what I can write here, x square plus y square plus 2x into lambda minus 1, and if I take minus common, I can write as 4 plus lambda into y plus 4 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. This is the required circle, simplified manner. Okay. After that you have to find the radius is 5 units, so you can do this one. I hope you can do this as homework also, because such questions we have done so many, right? And let's see this. After this I am going to explain you one JEE question here. So radius is, I want to find 2g is equal to, I am going to get here 2 into lambda minus 1, so 2 cancel, g is equal to lambda minus 1, g is this, and 2f is equal to, I am going to get here 2f is equal to, I am going to get minus of 4 plus lambda. So f value will be minus of 4 plus lambda by 2, g value is this, and you know c constant is 4 minus 4 lambda. So these values you have, just you have to substitute and you have to do this. So this you can do it this, okay, under root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to, this value you can take 5 and substitute here under root of g square, that is lambda minus 1 whole square plus f square, that is minus 4 lambda, minus I took common, minus square is positive, so 4 plus lambda by 2 whole square minus c is here how much, c here 4 minus 4 lambda, this is the c value, already here is a 4 minus 4 lambda, I wrote correct, right? Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure here minus is there or plus is there, I didn't see that plus is there, minus is there, is equal to 5. So now what you have to do here, we have to simplify this, you will get the lambda value, that lambda value you substitute here, you will get the answer, that's it, only this thing you have to do it now. So this rest of the things is very easy here. Now you can do, this is a very simple, you can write as a minus b whole square formula, lambda square 2 lambda plus 1 plus, here I can write as 4 square, is separating here, square on the numerator, square on the denominator is 4, this is 16 plus 8 lambda plus lambda square, this value, and minus you have here 4 minus 4 lambda divided by 1, and this total value square root in this is there in the square root, right? It's square in the square root. So square root, this value is this equal to 5. So squaring on both sides you can do it, then square root will be cancelled out. So what I get here, lambda square minus 2 lambda, square root cancel out, because squaring on both sides we do here, this is I get 25. And you can take here 4 is LCM, so 4 lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 4 plus 16 plus 8 lambda plus lambda square. I am taking the LCM, 4 4 is 16 minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16 lambda is equal to 25. So here what I can do more over is minus 8 lambda plus 8 lambda cancel out. Okay, anything else? No. So therefore I can write as 4 lambda plus lambda 5 lambda square, and lambda, what are the lambda? 1 lambda and 16, that is 17 lambda here, and therefore after this I am going to get here 16 plus 4, it's a 20, right? 20 is equal to 25 into 400. So what I am going to get here, 5 lambda square plus 17 lambda, and if I send this side, minus 80 is equal to 0. And this you can simplify, you are going to get the lambda value. So this is, you can do it, okay, this you can do it by using the quadratic equation formula. You can use the quadratic equation formula, you can find the lambda value here. You can you can split this one, 17 table, which table, 13 table, yeah, 400, this is 400 means 400, just check it, that table, 8 5 is 40, so 400 you will get. So just you check it this one, so you get the lambda values, that lambda value you put here, therefore you are going to get the value of, you get the required circle. Let's see one more example on the type number 4. So what is the question? This question is asked a advanced JEE 2011. The question says that the circle passing through the point minus 1 comma 0. You have to find the circle which is passing through the point minus 1 comma 0 and touching the y-axis. It is touching the y-axis at 0 comma 2. Also passes through the point. Which point it is passes? They have given, and they given the options here. Down they given options. So first we will do first we will find the circle equation, then we will satisfy the point. Okay, point I have not written, I will write at the end. Now let me explain the problem here. So what is they saying, that one circle is there, okay, one circle is there, that circle is passing through the point 0 comma 2. The circle is passing through the point, which point here, 0 comma 2, means 0 comma 2 means x is 0, y is 2. The circle is passing through 0 comma 2. See here, the circle is passing through the point, required circle is passing through the point minus 1 comma 0 and touching the y-axis at 0 comma 2. So it is y-axis here, this is y-axis, okay. For y-axis this is touching at 0 comma 2 and the circle which is required circle, that is passing through minus 1 comma 0, it may be is passing through minus 1 comma 0, also passes through the point. Which point it will be passes? That is what the question is here. You have to find the equation of this circle, okay, and the circle is passing through 0 comma 2 and the y-axis at 0 comma 2, touching the y-axis, means line equation they given indirectly. Indirectly they given line equation. If this is the line equation which is given indirectly, okay, because this is the line you have, this line is touching at the point 0 comma 2, okay. So what I can write, this line is there, if it is there like this, what we can write as, the point is what here, 0 comma 2, the point is at the point 0 comma 2. So circle is touching at the point 0 comma 2. So point is this circle is there, which I am telling you, this circle is the required circle, okay. They given a circle in the point form, they given a line also, that line is also touching y-axis at 0 comma 2. Now you have to find the equation of this circle which is passing through minus 1 comma 0. It means what is the point circle formula? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus lambda times L is equal to 0. This is the formula we have. It means x minus x1 means here 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus lambda times. Now line, how to identify the line here? Line equation is, circle is this, circle is what? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. What is the line here? Line is which is touching the y-axis, means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is the line, okay. So I can write as lambda times x is equal to 0 is the required circle equation, means this is the required circle equation. Many circle will be passing through this, but you have to find a circle which is passing through minus 1 comma 0, means minus 1 comma 0 satisfying this circle. Okay, minus 1 comma 0, substitute here, you will get the lambda, then you can simplify this. Now if it is further, you can write here, this will be x square plus a minus y square minus 2y. If I simplify this, y square minus 2y plus 4 plus lambda x is equal to 0. Okay, in this you are going to substitute minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 square plus 0 square minus 2 into, in the place of y I can substitute 0 plus 4 plus lambda into, in the place of x I can write minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 square is 1 and plus 4 minus lambda is equal to 0. So I am going to get here lambda value will be 5 I am getting, because here minus 5 plus 5 send us a minus 5 minus cancel. So lambda equal to 5 you substitute here, therefore the required circle is, what is the required circle I get? The required circle I get as x square plus y square, x square plus y square, if I substitute lambda here, plus 5x and minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the required circle. So we got the required circle now, okay. Now what I need to find here, now point, now see the options and we will see according to the options. So now let us see this, which option is correct for this. So which option means you have to substitute these points and see which is the correct answer, we have to find it, okay. Now here what we will do here to find this one, now we will substitute here y. See here the options are very simple options. Substitute y0 in this. If you substitute y0, you are going to get the x value is satisfying or not, check it out. So if I substitute y is equal to 0 in this, if I substitute y is equal to, otherwise you do one thing, you have to substitute each points in this circle and we have to see, that will take lot of time. So substitute y0 and you will get eliminate one option here. So y0 if I substitute, I get as x square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0 I will get. So you can see this one, I can write x square plus, I can write as 2x plus 3x plus, okay, 2x plus 5x, right? Here I can write as 4x plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. I can take x common, x plus 4 and 1 common, x plus 4 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to minus 4. If y is 0, y x minus 4. So option D is the right. If I go for another option, let's substitute y is equal to 2, check it out. But one option is came, I got right answer. So another options are wrong only. Now here D is the right answer. So like this you can substitute in this and you can check it. So we have completed type 4 now. These model problems we can do practice. Very simple, these are questions. And number now last type is we have left. So we will discuss in the next lecture.